Vineland's Nature Trail has a lot of things from the old college. If you look here to the right and up, you can see really big pine trees. And those pine trees were planted by the monks. In the spring, there'll be daffodils all along this trail. Those were planted by the monks. And there used to be benches along the trail where they would sit and meditate or pray. This was all a field when there was the college here. And down to the left, it's hard to see in my video, but there used to be a lake down there, a pond. And they used to get the ice and they would freeze it. So it goes down. There used to be a pond down there. And all this was field. All these trees have grown. There's a pretty good picture right there of where the ice pond used to be. Here's another view of the backside of that pond. It goes down right there. Now this trail branches off to where there used to be an ice house. Right by the pond was a building, and they stored ice in there. This was at a time before they had refrigerators. This is all that's left of the ice house. Sadly, the foundation's starting to fall in. Right there is the pond. See how it goes down right there? This pine tree is huge. You can definitely tell they were put here way before all the cedars around them. This one's really big. There's one there. These are all pine trees. If you look up, they tower above everything else. Some of the oldest trees in the area. If you walk back here and see benches, those benches are not from the monks. Those are from a Boy Scout project about 15, 20 years ago. And that was a marker that told you what this was. At the a little ways. At the end of the trail, or maybe the beginning, you can still see stones that led down the hill, covered in brush now, but there should be a pond down here. That, well, when I started teaching school, it was full of frogs. Sadly, it's all full of junk now, but definitely see where a pond used to be. On the backside, there was a whole bunch of junk. When they built Vineland School, they took the dam out and put a bunch of trash back there. It's too nasty to walk back there now.